Clovis here with UNS Technology LLC. Today we're going to talk about how to create a new branch and also how uh, to merge a branch to another branch, one branch to another branch, what command we use. So in the last lesson, we walked through the flow, how to save changes uh, while you're working from a working directory, then put it in the staging area, then save it as a commit. A commit we know is a snapshot of all the change you did at certain points, or a version of a copy of a version or a copy of what you have done at some point. And we know, we say also a commit is created when you're doing a commit, you're using the command git commits uh, hyphen m and the message, and this message is uh, attached to a reference, a, a alphanumeric reference number, and that's actually they call it commit because this reference is actually the commit you can use to check out the snapshot. To check out the snapshot is like to bring it in the working directory so that you can see what's happening. So after doing this, what we do, we normally have uh, all the commits are attached, and we call it a working tree. So, and the working tree, if you, it's like a part of a branch. So a working tree can be like also uh, a combination of multiple branch. So right now we're in the master branch. We can see we have kind of three commits, and is kind of the working tree of this branch. But let's say the master branch should be stable because other master or development branch, most company they use master branch as a stable branch, or a develop branch as a stable branch. So you need to, when you're making modification to the code base, you need to create a new branch. Uh, which branch you want to give some name, or give it a name based on the convention in the company. So normally to create a new branch, what we do, we add actually this keyword here. We do git branch, and then you give it some name. So this is how we create a branch. But it doesn't mean when you create a branch then you can start working through that branch straight. So there is another command what we use to go to that branch. We do git checkout, and then the branch name. So right now, let's say my branch name is name. So when I do these two commands, so all of this is going to be copied to a new branch, like I'm showing in the right. And let's say this branch is I want to call it name branch, the branch we just created using these two commands. And there is another command, actually third command, that which is kind of the combination of all of these two commands at once. It's git checkout b. So if you do this, it's like you did both of these. So I want to say or you do these two, or you do just one of these. So it's gonna create the name branch. So you can still keep working. You have now from this branch, name branch, you can create other commits, like maybe two more commits. Let's say you do this flow again 2 times when you're doing some modification, and this branch is gonna be like where actually uh, your new changes will be. So in the name branch, it won't be in the master branch. To have in the master branch, so you have to use this command git merge, so that with the name of the where you're trying to merge the branch, so it's gonna merge it to the master branch. It's gonna be like git merge master. So then all the changes also here is gonna be incorporated to the master branch. That's it for today, and have a blessed day. Thank you. Bye.